Hi, I'm Tracy and welcome to my kitchen. I've jumped out of the new studio today to whip up a favourite of ours here in our home. It's a small little starter, very quick and easy to make. If you can find all the ingredients, it's coconut prawn on betel leaf. Let's get started. So I've got my wok here. It's on high heat, so you've got to work really, really fast with this, especially when you're cooking with prawns as well. So we've got some oil in here. What I've got in this bowl, I've got some garlic, ginger, galangal, and fresh chilli. Galangal is a similar family, I suppose, to the ginger family. Quite hard to find, but if you can find it, it's really important for this dish. So pop this all in the wok. So let that all sizzle around. You can smell all those flavours coming out. And then next, pop in the prawns. So I've just chopped up some of the prawns here. And again, this is gonna cook off very fast. And the reason why I've just chopped up the prawns is so it can be scooped onto the betel leaf. So Right, so next we've got coconut cream. Not too much, just maybe a tablespoon. Get that going again. And then fish sauce. We love fish sauce in this house. It adds such good flavour. Then you take this off the heat. All right, so make sure you get all the prawns off the heat because we're going to be ready to serve it. So I'm going to be serving the cooked prawns on betel leaf. Picked these fresh just now from our garden. We love the texture, the taste. It just, again, reminds me of home cooking Southeast Asian flavours. So, yeah, we'll serve the prawns on there. And then I just put a little bit of coriander on each. Squeeze of lime over each little morsel. And this is one of my favourite starters to serve friends. It's coconut prawn on betel leaf.